Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Eggfruit Plant in Grow Garden game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the plants from the Easter update in Grow a Garden. And if you want to get this egg fruit to be planted in your main garden, you need to have the Easter seed pack. And you will have 0.5% chance to get this egg fruit. It's pretty rare, right? And FYI, I got this seed from the previous event, which is the Welly Wrapper event. I got the seed, and this is how the egg fruit looks like. And I'm going to show you how much this is worth. But before it, I'm going to show you how the tree looks like. Okay, this is the egg fruit tree. It's similar to the candy blossom, I think. Okay, and I'm going to see how much this is worth. This is the original fruit without mutation. Okay. Oh, it's almost 1 million. And now let's compare it to the candy blossom because I think it will be similar, but I don't know. Let's try it. Okay. This is the candy blossom. Oh, it's very, very different. So it's more valuable than the candy blossom. Okay guys, and that's all about the egg fruit and Grow Garden game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.